What's good, Saucy Gang? It's your boy, MUSA Loves Fitness. Today we're reacting to another BTS video. This one was suggested quite a while back, but it's just come up on the list. And so today we're going to react to it is 2020 Festa BTS Aeroplane Part 2 Summer Version at 2018 Summer Package in SAIPAN. It's 3 minutes 29 seconds. Let's watch it. What's it saying? Is it saucy or is it saucy? They're always good vibes. Look at the way everyone's just dressed different and very colourful. I like it. Oha. That's what it says on Ara's top. Okay. Hey. Hey, this is actually a song. Wait, what? It's a song? I wasn't expecting that. Not at all. Okay. Hey. Oh, the beat hits. When they do that, I can't deal. You know I gotta turn it up in my headphones. You know I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for that chorus. That chorus kills me every time. Water break. Shit. If you're wondering what's up with my voice, allergies. I'm getting kicked in the ass with these hay fever, these allergies, bruv. But let's if it's nice, guys. If it's nice, I heard you said it. We play it twice. Let's go. What? Hey. Hey. Okay. Hey. RM. Is that you moving like that? No. Hey, RM's got moves, you know. Look at him. Hey, what are them lot doing in the back, bruv? What? I'm done. What's that? What? V, J Hope, and Jin. What are they doing in the back? I can't with these guys, man. This tune just hits. I was not expecting a music video. I was expecting them just to show like their summer chilling vibe. I was not expecting this, but it makes sense. It does say Aeroplane Part 2, so I was like, why Aeroplane Part 2? But it's a summer version as well. Clearly MUSA doesn't read titles, you know. I don't read titles because I read titles just to read titles, but I don't really read titles. You know what I mean. Hey. Woo. MUSA, your vocals are so dead. Stop it. Hey, I would love to spend a day just me and J Hope. I'm just chilling. Hey, my G. You see that move there? You see that? My guy got swag. My guy's got swag. Hey, look. Tell him. Ay. Ah. Oh, I don't know. I can't. Hey, what a freak. But this tune is a joke, bruv. BTS are just a joke. They're so bruv. Certified bosses. Certified. Sugar? What? Okay. Yeah, I've been told to give you guys a warning when it comes to me screaming. So I should be warning you guys in every video. Like, nah, I did that. The moment you press play, you're in trouble. Trouble, I tell you, trouble. What? Hot. Jid's killing me. What's he doing? What's Aram doing as well with that duck, bruv? Chilling. They had a great time. I know they had a great time filming this. Oh my god. I'm finished. I'm finished. Yep, you know, the boys came correct. They're certified bosses. I don't need to say anymore. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.